Hey guys, Chris from Throdle. We're here with one of our hybrid guys, Rommel, aka Fanny Pack.
What's up?
So we're here with his Honda
CRZ.
What year?
2012.
And then I know you just got this all finished up for SEMA, correct? So just talk to us about the car a little bit.
Basically, we have one of the highlights here, the clear hood from KevTech, the C West front bumper, rec styling wide body, which has been molded. You'll never see that. It's the first one, I believe. Mugen side skirts and a silk blaze rear bumper with a triple center exhaust tip.